everyone. This is shared from outdoors in the low countries. I want to tell you something about this compact tractor. As you can see, it's a Kubota, it's a B1600DT, and I have it already for 17 years. It's a very loyal mate that I use for doing my landscaping here in the low countries, and I really like it a lot, and that's also why I made this video, because I have it already for quite a time, but we're now going to replace it with another one, a new model of Kubota. But since it's been a friend for a very long time, I still want to show you how great this tractor still is, because it's still running like a flower every day. The B1600DT is a four-wheel drive tractor. It has 927 cc's. It has 3 gears that you can use, but it has low and high gear and even some cruise speed, so there are a lot of gears possible. As you can see, it's we changed, on my request when I bought it, the wheels from tractor tires, the real field tires, to more capable in doing the mowing. So these are from a trailer, and these are even, I think, from the car, and that's how I used it for more than 17 years. As you can see, still in good shape. The engine is still running like it should be, and everything works fine. The outlet muffler is placed horizontally, because in that way the height is very low, which makes it very interesting for going below the trees. It has a 3-speed PTO, 540 and higher. There are 3 manual gears, but there's also a high and a low setting, and also a creep function. So in total you have 3 times 2 times 2 is 12 gears. Here you can see the 3-point hitch. I adapted it compared to how it was delivered originally. This was mounted on the side, giving a lot of bending torque. I didn't like that, so I had these special clamps made, these mounts made, so that the force now is in the same line, which of course reduces the bending torque on the hitch. I also adapted this. These were mounted on this part, giving it a lot of force when the hitch was moving up. So now I changed this into such a construction, so now we can have a movement and still give no stress or not any force on the construction, exactly like it should operate. Another advantage is that because these have now become lower, the hitch can go lower as well, giving it more play into the ground, if you like. Even though the tractor has served me for more than 17 years and never let me down, I still decided to change to a new tractor. It will be a Kubota again, because I hope it will be just as good as the other one, as this one is. But it has different functionality and some other features that I like. So that's why I decided to change, and I will give you updates of the change, of course, as well. But I hope it will. I will like it just as much as I like this one, because to be honest, I really like it.